Hello everyone. So if you want to loop a YouTube video effortlessly, here's how to do that. This method is universal, works both ways, Android and iOS, and you can loop not only single videos but a whole playlist with this. So let's dig in. First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now choose a video which we want to loop. Let it be this video. Then we gotta locate our save button. It's right here at the bottom near your share and download button. Let's tap on it. And now let's press change. So there was a pop-up that it was saved in the watch later playlist. Let's create a specific playlist for our loop method. So let's press new playlist. Let's name it as a loop. Or you can name it as anything else. It's only up to you. If you want to do it with your friend, you can choose the visibility, make it enlisted or public, and turn on your collaborate option. However, if you're doing it only for yourself, simply press create. And we got our new playlist created. Let's add one more video, so I'll show you everything. Let it be this video. So press save as well. Make sure that it was saved to the loop. Yep, it was great. It was saved to the latest playlist. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Tap on your loop playlist. Now tap to play any video. There it is, and here you'll see this little loop icon right on the left. There it is. So if you're gonna tap on it, the whole playlist is gonna be looped. If you want only this video to be looped, simply tap on it once again, video loop is on, and basically that's it. Now this particular video is looped and it's gonna be played over and over and over. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.